That's enough architectural interest for one day. When you're good, you're good. I mean, is it too much? Hello, how are you today? Okay, so I just got into a very building kind of mood there. So I thought, you know what I haven't done in a while? I haven't loaded up The Sims and built something. Someone did request it on one of my previous Sims videos where I built in it. I just think it's a fun way to kind of release creativity and just make something where there's no rules and there's no budget. So that's exciting. So I've loaded up the game, I've picked the site, so let's go and have a look. This is the area where we're going to be building. I think it's a place called Granite Falls. So I just like this whole situation over here. I mean, I wouldn't say no to that. I'm thinking of having like a more open floor plan kind of idea with like a courtyard and then little pockets that you can kind of go inside and outside. Okay, so I've got this so far. So I want to make like a little courtyard area in the middle, so the house kind of wraps around it. So I'm thinking of having the kitchen, living, dining room all on this side, and then the bedrooms on this side. But I'm going to add in windows though to the like this whole courtyard area because it has to all be like lit up and looking amazing. Okay, so that's kind of like what that looks like. So you're in here and you can see out like that. Is that too open? Or no, it's fine. This looks good, I think. So like you can see from one end kind of straight through the other, so like it kind of has a constant kind of flow, which I like. Okay, so that's the general idea. So I'm gonna do some more work and I'll come back to you. Okay, so we have some sort of kitchen situation going on here. I'm just adding the lighting now. I really like the like mixed materials in it. So you have like the green back here with the white worktop, and then you have the oak, which kind of is consistent here, and then the contrast on worktop. So I do want to get some like, you know, pendants to hang over the island because I think that would look nice. Do I want to hang them like that? I don't know. This is a tough. I like it from this view. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hang them over the seating area. So I'm gonna get like little stools now to go there. It's gonna look really cute. I think this fits the style of it a bit better. I wonder if there comes in any different colors. Like ooh, oh, I wonder if there's a green. There's a gray. Is that the same color as the? No, it's not. But like, I mean, for The Sims, I think it's. I think it's okay. Okay, so that's the stools. Okay, nice. This is random. Day bed. This will probably be like out here maybe. Now I would like to do like a tile kind of thing back in this area. I like that for the top, but I think I do want something more like dramatic here. Okay, I mean, I kind of like that. It's fun. It's fun. It adds a bit of like something to it. Or you know what? Actually, I just had another idea. Just one simple shelf, please. Thank you very much. Maybe in a darker color. 3, 4, and then use this then for like some accessories and doodads, and then you have like a few different eye lines, which I really like. Here I might build this wall out. Is that really closing this space up then? Is that? Kind of, yeah. So let's undo that. That's enough architectural interest for one day. So now we need to figure out what we want to do here. So maybe do another one of these things. Like how much? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 about here. And then make this. Maybe push this out. Make it deeper. And put in bifold doors there. Yep, when you're good, you're good. Not all open yet, but I'm loving this. Okay, I'm loving this, okay. Like it's really like indoor, outdoor, like very casual. You kind of come through here. There's nothing too structured. I like the kitchen, that's very like kind of a bit like rustic. So now the dining space is going to go here. So could we get like a big kind of country looking one, like kind of like this? Yeah, Yeah. Oh, I love these. Okay, I would love to incorporate these in some way, but maybe not that cushion pattern. Okay, how are we feeling? Is it too much? Should I? Let me see something. Oh, I mean, I definitely think I added too many chairs to this table. I think I'm preferring this vibe now, to be honest. Can I make this bigger? Okay, there we go. Nice family dining space, perfect, love that. And it's nice and centered with the rest of the space, which I'm liking. Yeah, I'm liking this story so far. I recorded a whole section there, but then I forgot I wasn't even recording the screen. So I love that for me. That's just great. Let's move on and finish decorating the dining space. I mean, are you honestly gonna stand here and tell me that there's no table setting? Okay, once I might do like a cool patterned wallpaper back there or something. Because like I want like different textures and everything else going on. I want to do some tongue and groove anyway, some paneling, and I mean I better finish off the dining space. Oh, I definitely want to add a rug. I'd love just like a simple, like not too fussy rug. Is that like hard to find? Yeah, very nice, very nice. And then let's add like a ceiling light because plants. Yes, we have to add plants. I want something like big, just dramatic, just like almost taking over the space. Or is that too much? Like something like this maybe. Like this is more like the scale I'm talking about. Like this maybe instead of that one. Let's put that one up there for a second. Like something big. Oh yeah, that's it. I prefer that. I do like that. But I mean, I wish it came down lower instead of being up so high. And does it come in any other? It comes in more muted. I do like that. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, so I just, before my camera cut me off again, I just added in these windows down here because I do want like it to be, when you're in here, to be able to see everything. I just want it to feel like you're in like a little getaway. Like it's like, you know, cabin in the woods, but on a JMC level. Yes, I like these chairs. I'd like to ideally have like a built-in kind of gas fireplace thing or electric fireplace thing here, and then like a nice big flat screen on the wall. Will we get that with this game? I don't know. Let's have a look and see. I mean, this is probably the most contemporary fireplace we're going to get, and I do like the kind of contrast of styles in here. So do we want to make it like this kind of, ooh, that's kind of nice, isn't it? That softer color. What floor do we want to put in here? I think I might do like a polished concrete floor maybe or something. Do you want to add in more kind of rustic pieces though? I mean, I'm definitely going to be changing the color of these to, let me know down below if you can guess what color I'm going to be changing it to. Brown, because you know I love brown leather. And let's see, for a coffee table, what are we feeling? Oh, this is nice. Okay. Can I scale this up a bit? Oh, is that too big? And also I think it ties into a groove. It has the oak from over there. So I think it works. They might as well not even have any rugs because this selection is so poor. I forgot to load up the screen recorder, so let me rerun through what I just went through. So welcome back to the second part. Wow, I amazed myself. So what I was saying was we have this area all in here like fully done. So this is nice, yeah, cute, 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 very nice. I'd love to have like a skylight or something. Wonder if we can do that. Let's see. Okay, that, I mean it's not very like, you know, centered. Like obviously a skylight would be a lot more kind of better than that. Ah, well, you know, it's worth a go. I'd love to have it like maybe all like in this kitchen, like skylights all like over here, like along this wall here. I think that would look really cool, like just very bright and open. Like imagine walking in and just seeing that in the distance, and then seeing up into the clouds. Oh, it's like heaven. And you come through and you can see all the way over into the living room and into the kitchen. Yeah, it's just, I mean, it's everything. I was in the middle of furnishing this when I realized that I wasn't recording, so my bad. We're looking for a rug for in here. And then like maybe like a piece of art up here. Just something, you know. I do like the idea of it being, I don't like the idea of it being cracked. Not my house. My house will be in pristine condition. Oh, I like that wallpaper. I love how it's like such like a interesting piece when you walk into the hallway. It's like, whoa, I did not expect that. Right. And that's the amazing entryway. And I'd like to get one big long runner for in here. Is there such a thing of that in this game? It's not really the runner I had in my head, but you know what I mean? We gotta make do with what we got. I feel like this middle section is like the tropical paradise section of the house. So like I like, the idea is when you're looking through here, oh oops, like it's not just the same wall, it's like, oh interesting. So it kind of makes it almost like the kind of entry into it, so it makes it more of a feature instead of it just being like a, like, because your attention is drawn to it, but it's not taken away from this. Actually, I kind of want to do the kind of rustic look in this section. Okay, so bedroom. Well, I already put my 4-poster bed in because, I mean, obviously I'm going to have one of them. I would like to have, obviously, like a bit of drama in the entry to my bedroom. Is that green? Maybe the greener version, or like the more soft green. Yeah, boom, done. And I as much as I love the polished concrete, I do want to have wooden floors in my room. And then in the bedroom, I'm thinking I want to do a paneling. I like that. I think it's cool against like, okay, obviously it's not going to be outside, but I think it's cool against like this kind of crazy wallpaper in here. I mean, is it too much for here? No, it's my room, okay? It's my room. I want to keep the bedroom simple. Obviously, I need to put one of my Barcelona chairs because I'm loving them. So now the windows have some curtains as well. So imagine the wind just blowing in like a soft breeze and then kind of blowing in the breeze. Oh my gosh, that is everything. Oh no, I think it's becoming a bit much now. I think it's getting a bit too much. I do like the more kind of subtle approach, like more artistic. I mean, is there a more tamed down version of that? Because honestly, that would probably give me a headache. Come on back in here. I like that like swirly one. This is gonna have to be it, I suppose. Let's see, side tables. I really appreciate the colors that this comes in because that like matches perfectly. Ooh, what is this? Don't even tempt me because may I? And then I might change the light. I don't know, I'm finding this one tricky now, to be honest. Okay, so let's just like keep it easy, okay? Let's add a little bench at the bottom. I need to add a plant. I want like something big and dramatic, but also like not just take up all the space in the room. Okay, let's have a walkthrough and see the finished result. This video has been a journey to say the least. Here we are. So now obviously like I'm not an architect, so like I haven't done like any of the roofing or anything. Well, I mean a bit, but like I mean I gave up. And like obviously the exterior needs to be like, you know, finished, but I'm an interior designer, so that's what I focused on, is interior. So let's have a walkthrough. So like, knock knock, anyone home? So you come through here. This is like the view you get out here, which is, I don't know what time of day is it, afternoon, there you go, yeah. Get that nice lighting, and then this is the kind of like welcome area. You have like a little seating arrangement, you know, so you can put on your boots or whatever before you leave and do your adventuring. I mean, that looks lovely, I think. It just looks very like inviting, even though that is the exit. I do think it looks very inviting. So you come through. Now, I don't know if my eyes are deceiving me, but this looks green to me, so that's why they're there. It's like a soft kind of muted green, which I really like. Then you have like over lighting, you know, because you gotta get that lighting, it's so important. And then you have like maybe your fridge freezer over here, and then like the oven situation, I don't know what that is, but we're gonna pretend it's somewhere. It's somewhere. This area though, I love. There's the dining, like the kind of island area. I love how open it is underneath. And then you have like, it's very casual, and then you have like your pendant lights hanging above, which I really like. It's just very easy, relaxed, nothing too fussy, which I really like. And I love these tiles as well. I love a good herringbone pattern. Again, I love the brass accents, the dining table, very kind of casual seating, nothing too, you know, fussy. Love how you can see outdoors everywhere you look. Yeah, the more I look at this wallpaper, the more it's growing on me. And I like you can be sitting here relaxing and you can see what's going on at the other side of the house. And then you move into the living space. So this is where you relax, watch your TV, you know, and loads of plants. I wanted loads of plants in here. A nice kind of feature wall with some prints. Simple because this is my holiday home, so I don't want to come here and have like loads of clutter. I want it to be easy, nothing too fussy. That's why I took a way more relaxed approach when it came to the styling of it. It's very easy. Here, I love like the different kind of zones, which is really nice. So you kind of stumble on through here. You have a view out to the kind of courtyard out here. So you have your little entry into the bedroom. Then you have the bedroom space, the wardrobe, and then the bathroom. So then this is the bedroom. Now see the walls will be finished outside. You can see over to the pool, which is really nice. You could be lying here watching a movie, which is really nice. Candles glowing, like, oh, it's just lovely paneling. And then you can like, oh, yawn, I'm gonna get up and just, what's outside today? Just open up the doors, and then, oh, look at that, you're looking straight out onto here, onto the mountainside, which is, I mean, gorgeous. Very simple, nothing too fussy, which I like. I didn't want it to be fussy. I wanted it to be easy, you know, nice mid-century kind of styling going on. And I like the kind of wallpaper when you're looking from here, because it kind of tones it down a bit. Through to the changing room, like dressing rooms, under a mirror, big mirror for changing in, you know, your little lounge thing, loads of wardrobe space. Let me know what you thought of this home. Will you like to see it built in the future? Because I'd love to see it built in the future. I definitely want to do stuff like that in the future, is build these amazing homes. Let me know what you thought, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.